is my homemade pizza bread. It's look delicious. Yum. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lady in Discovery. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade pizza bread. Easy, DC, 4 ingredients. Let's see how it goes. And this is it. That's the first step is grab a white sliced bread and the ingredients will be tomato, butter, and pizza cheese. That's mixed mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and the additional is you put some, the topping is the slice of green capsicum and red capsicum. That's the optional if you want to have a flavor of pizza bread homemade. So what we're gonna do now is get the bread, put some butter at the back so it will get more crispier. So we're getting ready. Get some of this. Put some tomato on top of it. Put this is the first step, is put butter behind the back of the bread. So I use the end of this. Butter, and just do this one here. That's to help to get crispy like that. You don't need to put too much sugar. Well, depends on you how oily or buttery you like the back of the pizza bread. There you go. Second one is, the second step is we put the tomato on top of it. So it will be look like that now. So I make 6 pieces of that pizza bread. Now we're going to add the ready shredded cheese. So that's what we're gonna add to that. And let's go. Third step of it is to put the cheese on it. Now you can add any toppings you want with it, which is ham, salami, olive, capsicum, a mushroom. Eating the topping that you like to make your pizza bread, like a homemade pizza bread. Easy food for snacking or for your kids, or even to the whole family can eat it. It can be dinner, lunch, or snacks, breakfast, anytime. This is the pizza bread homemade. And there you go. And you can bake this for 210 pound force or 180 Celsius in the oven for 5 minutes, or until you're golden brown.
An ice cold drink.
Not burnt, golden brown. So let's see, and put this in the oven. And this is the oven. I just put that homemade pizza bread. And this is what my So just gonna push to 210 because I reheat it to 180 just to make the oven. So like that. 5 minutes. There you go. Just wait. It's gonna be cooked soon. That's after 5 minutes. That's
Take away the
ready.
stress.
There we go. Have a look at it now. That's my homemade pizza bread. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.